Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, lost face. Whoa. To lose respect. Oh. People can lose respect in you by losing face. Yeah. When you lose face, then people will respect you less. Definitely. You can lose face over time. Yeah. By doing and saying odd or strange things, then you will lose face. Over time, he just lost face. Over time, he just lost face. People respected him less and less. Less and less, yeah? Yeah. By him doing that, he lost face. He lost face. He lost face because he did that. He lost face because he did that. Yeah. Yeah. Do not do that. You will lose face. Don't do that. What he did, don't do it. You lose face over time. It doesn't look professional. It's not professional. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Losing face is something you have to avoid. Yes. You don't want to lose face. You don't want to lose face. You really should be respected. Well, you really should be known, liked, and trusted. Yes. Because when you are known, liked, and trusted, people want to work with you. When you lose face over time, people walk away. People aren't interested. When you lose face over time, then people aren't interested. They won't want to work with you. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use lost face in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev, yeah. Oh, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.